Are you looking at upgrading your home? Whether it's enhancing your lighting, improving your air conditioning, or adding solar energy, we handle it all with care and precision. Our services not only make your life easier, but also help you save on energy costs while making a positive impact on the environment. Your satisfaction is our priority. We're here to provide transparent quotes, timely service, and results that go beyond your expectations, so you can focus on what matters most to you. Let us make your home safer, more comfortable, and energy efficient. Contact Electrician Services Adelaide today for a free consultation.